महाविद्यालयीन सहलीची परवानगी. कॉलेजच्या मित्रांबरोबर सहलीला जाण्यासाठी वडिलांची परवानगी कशी घ्यावी ते आपण पाहू. मेघनाला आपल्या मित्रांबरोबर तिच्या महाविद्यालयाने आयोजित केलेल्या सहलीसाठी जायचं आहे. याच बाबत ती आपल्या वडिलांकडे परवानगी मागत आहे.
Oh, you have come so early from college today.
Yes, Papa. Guess what? Our college trip is going to South India.
When is it going and for how many days?
On 15th November for 10 days.
How are you going? By bus or by train?
By a luxury bus.
How many boys and girls are going?
Around 50 boys and girls or something.
If the boys are going, then I will not let you go.
Oh, please, Papa. Our principal is going with us and he loves discipline. All my friends are going and I don't want to miss it.
In that case, I allow you to go.
Thank you, Papa. You're really great.
That's okay.
औषधांच्या दुकानात. औषधाच्या दुकानात दुकानदाराशी कशा प्रकारे बोलावं ते आपण पाहू. हरीश औषधाच्या दुकानात औषध घ्यायला आला आहे, परंतु त्याच्याकडे डॉक्टरांची चिठ्ठी नाहीये. दुकानदाराला तो औषध देण्याची विनंती करत आहे.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
I want a strip of compose.
Do you have the doctor's prescription?
No, but this is my regular medicine.
Sorry, sir. This is a Schedule H drug and we cannot give it without a prescription.
This is an empty strip. I take these tablets almost daily. Dr. Astana, he's my doctor.
Don't you have his prescription?
No, but what I can do is I will connect you to my doctor and you can talk to him.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Dr. Astana. This is Harish here. Yeah, I was at the chemist shop and I don't have the prescription of my medicine. Can you just talk to him about it? Yeah.
Hello? Yes, doctor. Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. I will give you the medicine.
Thanks. Do you know Dr. Astana?
Yes. Most of his patients are our clients. But next time, please get his prescription also with you.
What's the expiry date? I can't read properly actually.
It expires in 2011. We never keep expired drugs with us.
I need the bill, please.
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Here is the cash.
My pleasure, sir. Good day.
Have a nice day.